quick update video on the HTPC. I've got the fans changed out for the new Akasa Apache fans, the ultra quiet ones. Got the Scythe low profile heatsink on. Got the RAM in, motherboard in, all the front connectors plugged in to the motherboard. Next will be the power supply to go in, and then we can do some testing, and if all goes well we can start doing some cable management on this puppy. Anyway, that was just a quick update video. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, leave comments, whatever. Cheers.